So today topic partition function from unit 5 is thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. So question number 1, the partition function in statistical mechanics, it's generally denoted by option C is correct. It is represented by Z. Okay. So question number 2, the canonical partition function is defined as, the correct option B is correct. Okay. Then sum of the Boltzmann factor of all energy state. Okay. So question number 3, the partition function mainly depends on, the correct option, temperature. So if you see that in this partition function, so the temperature, so this is the concept for question number 3. The partition function mainly depends on temperature only. Okay. So this is most important. So based upon this formula, we have to do the problem for upcoming question. Okay. So the probability of finding a system in energy state EI, the correct option C is correct. So this is the formula for finding the probability. Okay. Then question number 5, then which thermodynamic quantities can be calculated from partition function? All of those. Okay. So by using a partition function to calculate internal energy, entropy, free energy. So option D is correct. Okay. So question number 6 and 7 detail number explain பண்ணிருக்கோம். So அதுக்கான link வந்து இந்த வீடியோ கீழே இருக்கும். If you want, you have to click and check out. Okay. So we have to derive elaborately. Okay. So a system has two energy state, then E1 and E2. By using a partition function, we can calculate. So the correct option is B. Okay. So you have to check out. So detail நம்ம போட்டுருக்கோம், அதுக்கான லிங்க் கொடுக்குறேன். If you want, you have to check out. Okay. So question number 7, for a system partition function கொடுத்தாச்சு, then energy கொடுத்தாச்சு, then temperature, then find the probability. So முன்னாடி கொஸ்டின்லேயே நம்ம இதுக்கான ஃபார்முலா கொடுத்துட்டோம். You have to see that. So this is the formula probability. Okay. Just we have to substitute all the cases, then you have to get the answer. So the correct option A is correct. Okay. நம்ம டீடைலாக டெரைவ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், செக் அவுட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. ஓகே. So question number 8, the Helmholtz free energy is related to partition function by, so the correct option B is correct. So repeated question, you have to remember that. Okay. So if you take a previous year question, it should be a repeated one. At very high temperature, the partition function generally, option C is correct, increases. Then partition function provide information about, option C is correct. Okay. So we meet in the next topic. Thank you.